everybody, welcome to the MakeCode arcade live stream. I'm Shannon. I'm at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joe at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Vivian at LiveTrip on the MakeCode forums.
Okay, so I didn't have an idea, and then Joey said something, and now I have slightly more of an idea, but not like a lot. So I'm just gonna start with like just like drawing things while we figure stuff out. So okay, so I'm gonna make a character, and that character is gonna have a cape. And we'll see.
I like where this is going already.
Let me see. So
Maybe we could do like getting out of hairy situations inspired by what's her name? Edna mode.
oh,
No capes.
mode hates capes. Okay. This is a cape.
Oh my gosh, I love this character.
I don't know.
Nice.
Cool. So something like this. I'll give them. There we go. I'll give them look the size. And I'm gonna set the background color to teal. Oh, right, and then I'm animating them to be blank. Okay. And then we're gonna do like a cape swoosh. So it'll be like, I'm gonna bring the arm up. And so my idea is they're gonna switch the cape and then like transform a little bit, maybe.
Ooh.
And then we can use that to like get out of situations.
Wait, they transform? What do they change? Like a cat? Like a cat? Do they transform into a cat?
Yeah, to like a different thing.
Okay.
And maybe there can be like several. Okay, so and then I'll move the head down while we're doing this also.
I used to own a cape, then I lost it.
How did it get lost?
Children just misplace things, I guess. But I was also in junior high, so probably shouldn't have lost it. My mom made it for me. It was lavender.
Oh man.
Yeah, sucks.
Heartbreaking.
Yeah. And I was
Have
like,
you
sorry.
ever owned a cape? I must have owned it. I think I owned like a Superman cape when I was like 4 for a Halloween outfit. Does that count?
Yeah.
That does count.
Good.
I don't really know how to like. I don't know.
Usually when I'm doing these,
Swirl.
I have to use like the lighter shade to like demarcate like an edge. That's the only thing I can make sense, but I'm sure yours is better than that.
Kind of just drawing like spirals, but
yeah,
I love this.
perfect.
Chill drawing stream day, because okay, and then we'll bring them out of it again. So okay, let me see how this looks.
I guess if this transforms into a bat, I could very much see this being Dracula.
As we know, Dracula just means disappointment.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Cape, disappointment, Count Dracula, sound kind of vaguely similar.
Oh my
Similar.
god, yeah, same initials. It's like we're solving a crime and then we see
Oh.
CD. We think it means Cape Disappointment, but really it was Count Dracula, obviously.
Yeah.
It was
Or the other
Dracula.
way around, like a newspaper got all the way to Transylvania, and then like Count Dracula opens up and says CD, terrible crime. And he's like, how are they blinding me for this? And then it's a detective game where Dracula goes to Cape Disappointment to solve the crime.
Yeah, it's just bad for his image, you know? You gotta clean this up.
But the real crime is the lessons they learn along the way. That's not how it's supposed to be.
The real crime was the lessons they learned along the way. Okay, so let me see. On a button pressed. So we have a character.
Wow!
Oh,
Wow!
that looked really good.
Let me see. Green. Cool. Okay. Okay. Sweet. We have a cape and you transform. And let me also do my basic platformer controls. So we're gonna rename this cape. Cool. Okay. And then I think so I think maybe I'm just gonna use the color as like the thing. So each time you do your cape, you transform to a different color. And that will be mechanically useful in some way. So
You can blend in as just a cape on the wall if you're the same color as the background.
oh, I like the invisibility.
I think we've done that before. We did a color-based game where it's like matching up the color to get through stuff.
Vivian, you also made a face.
Oh, it was unrelated.
Oh.
But it's related to Cape Disappointment, which is, did you see tide pools?
I did not see tide pools. Are there
Did you
tide
see a
pools?
tidal wave?
Tide
I saw waves, definitely caused by the tide.
Ooh.
So. Okay. B button pressed will transform. On A button pressed, we'll do jump. Oh, I should just do Joy's extension. J1 draw. All right. Oh. Yes. Okay. Jump. And I'm gonna make the gravity like 600, and we'll jump 3, maybe? 3 seems like a lot. 36. Oops. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna do a tile map and have the camera follow. Okay, so all the standard game setup code. Cool. To move 0 in the VY direction. And then let's make some tiles. So let's see. So we have teal. And we have pink. And maybe yellow. I think this is a good color combo. And we'll just do, oh, and then I want the ground to be this. I'll make the ground look different. All right. Cool. So, some platforms.
This ground looks so good.
Wait, I looked away for a second. Did you just make that? That looks like perfect fossil-y ground.
I don't really know where I'm going with this, but that's happening. Cool. Sure. And I'm going to make the ground into walls. Come on. There we go. Right. And then I'm gonna have I'm gonna move some of this animation stuff into variables so that I can use the same animation with you know, by changing the color still though. So I'm gonna set new variable cape animation to this animation. Whoops. All right. And then I'm going to set current color. I'm going to make an array of colors. And the colors in question are 3, 5, and 6.
3, 5, 6.
5, 6. Okay. So I think I was like, maybe it could be, let's do one more. Let's do, black is 16? 15.
Are you gonna do a replace colors in the or are you gonna draw every animation?
I'm gonna do a replace.
Okay. We probably don't want black. I guess we can do black because we'll just be replaced off the base.
Oh, you're right.
We'll probably replace off the base anyway.
Say again?
We can just replace off the base image anyway, I guess, if we keep them as separate variables.
Yeah, that's probably the right thing to do. Although I don't think we have a clone animation.
I mean, we don't have a replace in animation either. We had to do it. We had to over animation.
Good call. Okay. So I'm gonna have a variable called current color. And current color is going to be the first colors get value at 0. Current color is going to be, I'm gonna rename this index 0. Okay. And then I'm going to update the animation. So basically I want to swap the pink out with whatever our current color is, and I'm going to swap the green out with whatever our like ending color is, which will be the next thing. I'm going to remove this for now, just so. I was thinking like black could be like a special mode that you get into, but maybe I'll leave that out of our default array swapping. And so when we're going to change current color index by 1 at the end of this, after we're done animating, and then we'll go through each element in cape animation. Animation is just a list of images, so we're iterating through each image, and we will have a new variable that's like recolored cape animation. No, cape animation recolored to an empty array, and we will copy each image and do some replaces on it. So cape animation recolored, we clone the image to end. And let's see. Great. And we'll change the color in. So I don't really want to make another variable to hold this image. So instead I'm going to grab the last don't want to get removed, so I guess I'm gonna do this. Cape animation recolored, get value at the length -1, which is the very last element, the one we just added. Cool. So I'm gonna go from pink to the current color. So that's colors, get value at current color index. So that should swap out all the pink. And then I also want to change all of the green to plus and remainder. The current color index +1 divided by the length of colors. So that just sort of wraps it around. And then we will also set the current color index to this value. Okay, let's see how this goes. No, nothing. Oh, value from pink to current color index. What? Oh, I'm not using the cape animation recolored. Add a quarter.
Maybe. I feel like it is.
Yeah, I feel like we said that not using a variable is.
Okay.
Okay.
I mainly like it because it's fun to type out an unlimited amount of O's.
Cool. So now we're swapping. But what do we do now? Okay, so you can swap to match your background. And then you're invisible. Except for the cape.
The cape is just like, it's normal. You're like, that's a lampshade. It's like how humans look at things and they're likely to see other humans, except we look at capes and we're like, yeah, that's normal.
Maybe you can only be invisible if you're not moving. Or like...
Oh.
So you have to like dodge something or like hide from something? Like a hiding game?
Do you want to code up like enemies or something?
Yeah. Okay. What kind of enemies should we have, guys?
What's the enemies? Things with a giant eyeball with horse blinders on it.
With horse blinders on it?
I don't know. Oh no, is this
It's
gonna
a
be
metaphor?
So then maybe they see like the cape, or if they stand still for a while, the cape disappears.
Oh.
No, but sorry, like if it didn't disappear, then you could be like, oh, I'm not seeing something. That's just my horse blinder that's covering my giant eye. Oh, Lucas says. Oh, sorry. Lucas says Pac-Man like enemies.
Ooh.
These might also
Wait, the enemies should look like Pac-Man? Or they should be like ghosts? Like the enemies of Pac-Man?
I thought ghosts, but then you brought up the other way. I'm like, oh, that also makes sense. Oh, the eyes would also look like Pac-Man. But also,
you're right.
Are these close to the Pac-Man ghost colors? No, there's a red one instead of... It's close to the ghost colors.
Jump more. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look like Pac-Man.
Okay, cool. That works with the eyeballs. Cool. And we're down here now. Can't make that jump, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna have a function, I guess, because of maybe we'll want more than one tile map eventually. And then I'm gonna call my function. And then for each element value of, and I'm gonna get all of our enemy tiles. And I made 3 colors because the color is important here. So we're gonna have to replace all the teal enemy colors with like, you know, a teal one afterwards. So the enemy is gonna be an eyeball. Enemy. To enemy. And
Here, Shannon, you can look at my eyeball for reference.
Ooh, okay.
I don't know if I've ever stretched my eyes this much before. I feel like they're going in directions they never usually do.
All right. I think I got it.
Cool.
Maybe. Thank you, Vivian.
Yep. What are eyeballs for, if not to be seen?
Mm-hmm.
Is it an octopus? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. Oh, okay. I was like, that's a perfect number to be an octopus. But now it's
Okay, maybe this made it worse. Let's take a quick okay.
This is upsetting. I hate it.
Okay, the eyelashes are bad. We're not doing that. That was a mistake. Okay, we'll just do this. We'll just do like a regular, just like your friendly neighborhood eyeball.
Walking eyeball enemy.
I'll give it like a little shine here.
Oh my god. The irises could be different colors.
Oh,
something to do with color.
That's good.
That's how it works.
Okay, I have an important question, which is the iris is the part around the middle.
It's like the pupil is the black part that's actually a hole. The iris is the colored part. That's scary if you zoom in on it.
Yes, we all knew that, and I was testing you.
Okay.
No.
I don't know where the retina is. Could not tell you. It's somewhere. Yeah, this one looks kind of sad. Oh, but from far away, it looks upsetting. I would say it's a good animation. I don't want to be seen by that.
I don't know how to make it less. I don't think there is a non-upsetting way.
No, I think upsetting is good to go for, right? Okay.
It's an enemy, right? That's what we said?
That's true. It is an enemy. Yeah.
So, yeah, they should just be super upsetting.
It's a floating eyeball. Okay, I'm going to place the enemy eye on top of this tile map position. And I'm going to set, I'm going to change it to be teal. Okay, cool. And then I guess I kind of want this like the same for all of them. I think probably there's a way to like, you know, like efficiently do this with just one function that you could like pass the color into. That would be the right way to do things. but
That's
weird.
a lot of work. Who cares?
Right? It sounds hard.
And
So,
I feel like not much return. We already got it done so quickly. What's the
yeah.
point? Yeah.
High efficiency coding.
True.
Okay. And then let's just do some eyeball behavior. Okay, I have an idea.
Oh my
which
God.
is
Are we gonna do eyeball closing enemy? Like,
yeah.
And when it closes, it shoots out a tear at you or something.
Okay, I like that.
I'm thinking of going for optimal, like top tier upsetting is what I'm envisioning.
Tier upset.
Okay. We'll do like every second. We'll go over all of them. Value for every enemy. Enemy, and then we'll just do like a little bit of a random chance. Like a 60% chance we'll animate. Animate the enemy, and we'll animate it doing a blink, and we'll have a projectile. And I also want some like direction changing for these guys, but we'll figure that out later.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I am gonna have to figure out what color to make them.
Vivian, do you know what game I'm thinking of that has a giant eye? Oh, is it Terraria?
Yep.
Okay. that one is on the upsetting. Like that's probably like a 7 or 8 out of 10. Upsetting. Am I remembering it wrong?
No, I just kind of feel like I'm more upset about this eye than I am about that eye. Why? Could not tell you. Maybe it's because Shannon's done eyelids. I feel like the eyelids.
Your creation.
Yeah, Vivian. The Eye of Cthulhu. That makes sense.
I just said eyes.
Okay.
We don't always have to listen
has, like,
to
the red, like the blood vessel, like things behind it too.
To show how speedy
and they're
it
like
is.
trailing it as like little tails.
Right, like the eye nerve, the optic nerve.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, Shannon, I hate your eyes so much. I'm not gonna watch the rest of the stream. I'm gonna sit over here.
And what if okay, look, it's look, it's smiling at you.
Oh yeah, that one.
Oh, okay, that helps. Yeah, that's great. What a trick.
Wait, Vivian, look up Mario 64 eyeball and tell me where this one falls on your upsetting scale.
Where does it fall on your scale, Joey? Oh my gosh, Shannon, it looked like it was blinking really fast.
It's like a 4.
No. How does it compare to this eyeball in the Terraria one?
I would say this one is like 6 for me, 5 for me.
Okay.
Terraria is like a 7. That one's like a 3 or 4. But when I was a child, it was like a 12 out of 10. Upset.
Oh. Okay, I can tell you for me why this one's not as upsetting. It's just too smooth. It's like, baby's first graphics class making a sphere with some ice.
Wow, really talking bad about those Super Mario 64 developers.
I mean, it was.
I bet you can even see the polygons. Ugh.
It's so smooth.
Super Mario 64 is like the weirdest game in that there's so many different levels that I forget most of it, and I only have this like small section that I actually played through by myself that I actually remember.
Wait, did you not play through the other sections?
There's so many levels, and I was a child, so I was really bad at it, so I just lost.
Kids are sometimes bad.
I don't remember if I ever beat like Final Bowser on my own in the game.
Okay, I think I want.
You need like 60 stars. Ooh.
I'm gonna move this into a function because it turns out we're having to do it like several times.
Doesn't this mean Joey needs to sing the refactor song?
Yeah, this is a refactor. Just a little.
I don't remember it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joey. Oh, I can pass in an array.
Yeah, just pass in an array and always pass it in empty, maybe. Well, I guess you have to pass in. You want to pass in 2 arrays, probably.
Why?
Because you want the array that you're going to be filling up and then returning.
Oh yeah, I would just return it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess if you just treat it as a we're never going to yield on here, so I guess it's fine to just make a local variable and return it.
Yeah. Okay, so the thing we're Cape Animation is the one we're recoloring inside Cape Animation Recolored, and then we need to change the color from pink, which is 3, to this value. And then I'm gonna again need to, so this is gonna be fun. There's a lot of long blocks in this one. So I'm gonna change it from 3 to the next color in our list on Cape Animation, and then I'm gonna call this function again on the animation we've recolored, and I'm gonna change from green, which is 7.
Shannon, what if you're changing it to green? And then all the greens change to the last one?
Oh, we don't have green.
Oh, okay, sure. Sorry.
But we do have pink, so I should probably make this a different color.
Oh.
No, I'm always changing the starting one, so it's fine. Green is 7.
This is bug-free code. Not allowed here.
Free bug code.
And we'll do this. Recolor animation. All right. The color we're changing to is the ending color. Okay. Very, very long block. Cool. And then inside this function, instead of doing it twice, we will just change the color in our animation. In our image from start color to end color. And I'm going to rename this variable. New animation. Okay, so we've done this refactor, so our code should behave exactly the same as it did before. Oh no, I hated that. All right, new animation to empty array. For each value of the old animation, we will clone, add it to the new animation, and change color.
We don't want value there. Okay.
Yeah. I got rid of our beautiful giant block. So we need to get the last element. -1. Length of array.
Do we not have a peak in?
Do
we not have a peak?
No, only get and remove.
Lame.
Yeah, so we have these blocks that are get value at, and we have get and remove last and first, but we don't have just get the value from the first is the thing that Joey was asking. Okay, so get value at, length of array, perfect. So that's fine. Now I suspect something's going wrong in this very large block. Call recolor 3 to current color index, Cape Animation, and then we call again.
Is it? Oh my gosh, wait, this is just the bug with the arrays and functions. It's angry about types.
It's angry about types.
Maybe.
Can you put a breakpoint and we can see just where it's dying?
Yeah, let me just make sure that this also dies, or yeah, something is wrong. All right, so if we go into debug mode, wait, Vivian, what do you mean?
It's the way that the types are inferred in functions when you have an array being passed in.
Oh.
Maybe special blocks.
Oh, does it just pass it in as any, and then it's...
Yes.
Cannot read property.
So when you pass in the array, so it's this, because we're looping over this animation array.
Should this happen for... Do images have a special case, like subclass, instead of just normal objects? They might.
New animation to empty array.
Yeah, they are different than normal and C++ too.
I see. Okay, so...
I think it should still work for them, though. Because if I remember right, the type for parameters is always any array, right? Vivian, is that accurate?
Yes.
I don't know why this is working, but this is not working. It's not working.
I think it's just upset when you use blocks that are special.
Yeah, because we're trying to do image stuff to the things in the array, and it doesn't know that they're images.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I set it to a variable, will that do anything or no?
Try it?
Probably not.
Maybe like set the variable to a useless image at the beginning to force it to think of it as an image, and then it narrows it down.
Yeah. New image.
Yeah, and then like in on start or something. Yeah, just give it a trivial one. So this would be like forcing the thing to narrow it down to
Set new image to
wait, instead of clone in there, set it to value there.
Oh yeah.
And then clone the new image. I don't know if this will work, but no.
Okay. In this case, I'm just going to undo all of the things we just did. And I will duplicate this code in the eye animation thing. So hopefully this will work. You want to sing the refactor song in reverse, Joe?
Boop. Wait. Boop, 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 boop. That one? Yeah.
Perfect.
I guess it would be ooh, boop, 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 boop.
All right, cool. So we're back where we were. Maybe. Oh, you really hated that. Okay, there we go. My editor is pretty mad at me. I'm gonna try refreshing. And we hope that everything is fine. Maybe I'll save it first. Nope.
You gotta name it before you save? Yeah. Huh? Wait, do you? That shouldn't happen.
I had named it, but I think it maybe undid that.
Oh. Weird.
All right. Everything is fine, guys. Don't worry about it.
I'm not worried. We're talking about Minecraft in chat.
Oh. Things are not.
Oh, no. Where did all of it go?
Oh, well,
okay. We're going to try importing the thing.
Oh, my God.
You just saved it, right?
I did, yeah. I saved it as a...
Should be fine.
Oh, no. It's saved to the sad version.
That is very weird.
Okay. Oh.
What?
Wait.
Huh?
There's another copy of the project.
Hey, the tile map's back.
That's true.
You get what? If...
Wait, is there? I guess it would have been before you refreshed that the error would have occurred if there was a console error.
Yeah, I think it was hitting undo that many times. I should have known better. Okay.
So we should just make a big project and undo a lot, and then we can see if we can repro that in the future. Okay.
Yeah, so I think this project might be burned. I don't think I can open or modify any of these without causing an error. Let's see. Yeah, I won't load this. Oh man. What if I go to...
Maybe we should do like a skill map on stream.
Yeah, it's really, really mad at me.
And it even knows that you made a function too. It just lost the references to all of them. Maybe they're even in the blocked XML still or something.
It could be. Yeah, it could just be failing to like load the thing. Okay, I think it's probably well, I'll leave these here and we can like debug.
We have the file anyway, so we can just inspect it and see. Look at the block XML directly later.
Yeah. Okay. Do you guys want to do some other stuff in the last 15 minutes of stream?
Have we ever done a skill map on stream?
Like made a skill map or
no, like gone through a skill map.
Oh. No, but we also don't like go through tutorials or anything.
Yeah, but skill maps are more fun.
We're the advanced stream.
Maybe there's an advanced skill map. I don't know if there is.
It is an advanced skill map.
Ooh. But let's see what you're gonna do.
Oh, I'm just gonna draw a lighthouse.
Perfect.
Unsigned Arduino requests that Shannon make more mistakes, so you can earn more quarters. I like this idea.
Well, I deleted my entire project. That's not, we haven't like officially established that as quarter worthy.
I feel like we should give Shannon money for that. Sad.
No. I would call it a mistake. Feel free to tell me things you think I should add to this image.
An orca.
Ooh, okay.
A clownfish.
Ooh.
A clownfish. Does this look like a light? What are properties of lighthouses? Stripes?
Yeah. And the light coming out of it.
Oh yeah,
that's a light coming out of it's pretty good. Yeah.
All right. Stripe. Beam of light.
Honk honk. Are we the moths of Lighthouse? No.
The moths of
nothing. No, we're actually the anti-moth. Because we avoid the lighthouse.
What does an orca look like? White around the eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forget, you hate dolphins, right?
Orcas are dolphins.
Don't they have white in other places?
Maybe like around their belly?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. Like this one has it like bottom third. It's like you got orca. And it's like, head, tail, and it's like this part. So it's like lower belly.
Okay. Wait, so like this, right?
Perfect.
Cool. I'll give it some water reflection.
Wow.
See, what else do orcas have? Semi-terrifying teeth?
Oh, yeah. They have great teeth.
That sounded like a really expert opinion, too. Like, yes, quite nice teeth, well flossed. They take great dental hygiene.
They probably do. Teeth are very important for orca survival. And then Joey requested a clownfish. So I'll put that guy here.
Maybe Fish Dentist would be a fun game. I haven't thought about too much about the specifics.
Fish Tennis would be a great game. They do the little fish that like clean teeth, right?
Fish Dentist.
You should have said this idea before stream, Joey.
I should have. I mean, I've been sitting on it for so long. All 10 seconds before I said it.
Okay. What else?
What else do we see with
Unsigned, or do we know that you should animate it? I don't know if that's something you want to do.
I mean, you could animate the light going spinny spin.
Ooh, that's true. It's gonna be a very big animation, but I guess
you got the memory in your computer for it.
That's true. Yeah. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna make a sprite. And I'm gonna make it the width of the screen, which is, and we'll make it, 32 tall or something. And then we'll set the Y position to, and like 40. Okay, let's see now. Oh, I'm animating it to be invisible again. Cool. That seems about right. Maybe 24? Awesome. So 160 by 24. 160 by 24. And then I'll just do this like beam of light thing. And this I should just use the straight line tool for.
Shannon, you weren't here for a stream. I don't want to call this stream a disaster. But there were some disaster vibes. Some occurrences.
There were some occurrences.
There were some occurrences. You weren't here for stream yesterday, but yesterday was also a disaster. And
yesterday was another, oh no, is this a menu game? Yeah. Vivian made it so it's a menu game.
So I'm going to say we set the bar tomorrow. No disasters.
Right. We've used up the disaster quota.
Oh my God. For the year.
For the year. I think so.
Yeah, we really burned through it.
The budget is finished.
What?
The disaster budget is finished. You're running out of disaster funds.
Right. We're going to overdraft. Writing checks we can't cash.
If we keep on doing the disaster streams, then we're going to have to cut into the update budget.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Kiwi Phoenix says you should continue another game that you worked on before. Do you have a game that you remember? Because I've forgotten everything that we've ever worked on in the past.
Menu games
like today or just in general?
I feel like in general, because I feel like the vibe is we start a lot of games that we never finish, but probably because my memory gets reset every day. So, did you ever finish a card game? Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Jen.
Oh, I said I definitely start a lot of games that I don't finish.
Me too.
I'm very bad at finishing games. This got duplicated. Things are happening. All right.
Whoa.
That's fine. All right. Okay. one more, and I think well, actually, maybe I don't need that last one. It'll just wrap. Very fast. Sure.
Oh my gosh! Look at it go! This looks like a very suspicious lighthouse. It's like looking for that boat, right?
Mm-hmm. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Lighthouse. Let's see. What was the other thing? Oh, right. I added the story extension so that I could do this.
Oh. Let's see. What else could we have? A UFO? UFOs and lighthouses are kind of like the same thing. They both make light.
What does EXT mean?
Exterior? It's like in movies.
Oh, cool.
But I can't make it big. Lame. No, story extension is great.
I've never heard Shannon just go lame.
Oh, this has been a stream of like many events, guys. Does this have configuration? No, this is... Okay, let me do it at the middle of the screen. I think that might... X equals 80. Sure. And then we'll have a UFO come in. Okay. Oops. Oh. There? Sure. I'm gonna set the UFO position to X equals 124, Y equals negative 20. And then I'm gonna move it down. UFO move to X equals 124, Y equals 34, and I'm gonna say player, sure.
I guess it could. Who says that a UFO has to abduct a cow? Maybe it abducts a clownfish.
Or an orca. What's the difference between an orca, whale, and a cow? They're both black and white.
They're both spotted. This is true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, we have 5 minutes. I think I can do this. On sprite of kind player overlaps on sprite of kind food, which is our beam overlaps. Sprite
Cows have teeth too. Cows are basically orcas.
Mm-hmm. Cool. So I'm going to stop the beam animation. I'm going to set the beam image to just the very first one. So this is 160 by 24. Done. All right. And then it's going to beam up the orca. So I'm going to change the kind of the beam to a different kind. Sure. And then, so this will only happen once. And then I need to make the orca. Okay. Do this very quickly. I feel like it would be bad to go overtime in a stream where I've basically made maybe a quarter of a game.
No, Shannon. We learned lessons, right?
Yeah,
it's not about the destination. It's the climb.
One of those lessons is to be very suspicious of that undo button.
Yeah.
I feel like we've also learned to never write functions.
If nothing else, we can probably get a repro if we spend enough time on it by copying over every action you've done to get to that delete project bug.
That's true.
All on stream.
All right. Here's our orca. I'm not going to draw the bottom half of the orca. It'll be fine.
I mean, has anybody seen the bottom half of a
right.
non-breaching orca?
That's
it's like an iceberg. Whatever's underneath, who knows? Maybe there's nothing. Maybe it's just floating straight on air.
True. This is why orcas don't do good deeds, because there's nobody around to see them do it.
That's true, yeah.
Actually, maybe it is functions and undo that breaks the tree of the XML tree.
Oh, have you been testing or just?
No, I'm just thinking about it like that.
Yeah.
Like, because that's like our own weird implementation that is detached from everything else.
Mm-hmm.
And
that is
every
true.
time I remember this happening, I think it has been something adjacent to undo and functions.
All right. So I'm gonna move the orca to the position of the UFO, which is the player X and the player Y with speed 100 when the orca, which is a dolphin, overlaps the player, which is the UFO. We're going to destroy the orca and have the UFO move off screen again. Move to Y equals negative 20, but like slowly. And then game over. Win?
Win! We're ending on a win. I think that's great.
We're ending on a win. Let's see if this works. Nice, right? Why? Beautiful. All right. This has been the MakeCode Arcade Advanced stream. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Shannon. I'm at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWander on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Vivian at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.